Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Audi of Burlington, we have the 2021 Audi SQ5. Sticker here at 57490. Very, very well equipped. And honestly, an absolute riot to drive. 3-liter V6, 8-speed Tiptronic, Daytona gray over black, rear side airbags. Man, this thing looks awesome. And it is a proper fun car to drive. I mean, I'll put it to you this way. I was like, okay, yeah, SQ5, that'll be kind of fun. This is probably one of my favorite Audi S cars. Put it into S, dynamic. And it sounds so good. I think it was announced today that as of 2026, every new Audi will have some form of electrification. That's the term, I'll say. So that means this engine will be going away soon. I can't say that without feeling a little sad. I'll go ahead, put it into manual mode using the paddles. An SUV with crackles. Did not. Oh, it has no right to sound that good, but it does. I love Audi's S steering wheels. They're, well, S, RS, R8 steering wheel is phenomenal. I love, like, the dots. It's an 8-speed torque converter automatic, although it is one of the best I've driven. This is gonna kill me, is this traffic? But that's not me. It's the big truck behind me. so refreshing to have an SUV that drives as well as this does. I went to one Audi dealership and they said, yeah, my favorite S car is the SQ5. And I chuckled a little bit. I'm like, yeah, okay. Good one, buddy. I think they were right. This is really good. I've always been a fan of cars that are fast, that don't look fast. So sleepers, you know, the CTSV wagon was phenomenal. I loved that thing. It was like, there's no reason that car should be fast. There's no reason this one should drive like it does. But it does drive this good. And it's phenomenal. And the materials in here for the price point, I mean, this thing's awesome. I don't think it says what trim. But this one's not fully optioned like some of them are. This is a really nice area. I haven't been down here in years. This is the Burlington Mall. What a car. The SQ5 is just absolutely phenomenal. I can't complain. I cannot complain. This is so good. So good. Man. I don't know, guys. If the S4 is half as good as this, S4 might be the move to buy. I can't say that. Ugh. Paddle time. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.